14.3 subtitle, we have microbes in sewage treatment. There are different benefits we are getting from the microbes for the production of different products we have seen. Now, microbes are also used for the sewage treatment. So, especially in urban areas, large amount of polluted water will be released from the different households, because in urban there are many number of households are there and population is also very large. So the large population uses water for different purposes and releases the consumed water to sewage drainage through the drainage. So this water is called sewage. This municipal water, the consumed water is called sewage. So the sewage, if you directly discharge the sewage into water bodies like streams, rivers, ponds, it will pollute the water and also it causes different diseases, because this sewage water contains many microbes which cause diseases. For example, penicillin. Penicillin is present in poliomyelitis virus is present in drainage water, sewage water. So if you release directly into the ponds and sewers, along with polluting the clean water in the rivers and ponds, it also causes different diseases by consumption that water by different people. So we should not discharge the sewage water directly into the water bodies, natural water bodies. So what we have to, first we have to clean it. If you directly discharge the water, what will happen? It will lead to the environmental pollution or water pollution. So we should not directly discharge sewage water into the natural water bodies like streams, rivers and ponds. So what we have to do, we must clean the polluted water in some level, at least in some level we must clean it. So how we have to clean it? If you have a 1 liter water, you can filter it and you can clean it. But we have one entire city discharges the water. How you clean it? It is very difficult. So what we have to do? So the municipal, for example, take Hyderabad Metropolitan Board. What they will treat the discharged sewage water and they clean it for some level and then discharge into the different water. For example, first sewage is treated. Sewage undergoes treatment. This is called sewage treatment. This is done in a particular place is called sewage treatment plant, STP. Sewage is treated with the help of a plant called sewage treatment plant. Under sewage treatment plant, sewage is treated and it will be cleaned into some level. Then the cleaned sewage water is discharged into the water bodies. So this process contains majorly two steps. This sewage treatment takes place in two stages. One is the primary and the another is the secondary. So in the primary stage, the sewage water is first undergoes filtration and sedimentation. First, the effluent coming from the households. The sewage water contains different types of solid materials also. You will throw, for example, during bathing you will throw even shampoo covers also, other different covers. Sometimes even plastic bottles also we will throw into the sewage water drainage. So those solid materials also must be removed. That is takes place by the filtration. Next is if anything solid is there, that will be sedimented, settle. This solid will be sedimented. So in primary stage, two things will happen. One is the filtration and sedimentation. One is the filtration. By filtration, we can remove the solid materials which are floating above the water or inside the water. Next is sedimentation. If anything, it is not filterable. But it is still solids. That will be removed by the sedimentation. If you settle it, the small solid compounds will be settled down, come down to the tanks. Then once they settle, they will become a sediment. The sediment will be removed. So So the in primary stage what will happen? Majorly solid materials. Solid materials are removed by the first filtration, next sedimentation, next secondary. What will happen in secondary material? The effluent coming from the primary treatment, they contain aerobic bacteria. They contain aerobic bacteria. This aerobic bacteria consumes organic matter present in the sewage water. This aerobic bacteria which grow vigorously and consume the organic matter present in the this effluent. So next what will happen? This is the one part in the secondary treatment. Next anaerobic bacteria. This anaerobic bacteria digest the aerobic bacteria in the initial stage. The anaerobic bacteria in the next step, the anaerobic bacteria they will digest the aerobic bacteria. So this is about the secondary treatment. In secondary treatment, what will happen? Initially, in the first step, aerobic bacteria consume the organic matter. Then what will happen? Next, the effluent, the released effluent again treated with anaerobic bacteria. This anaerobic bacteria digest the aerobic bacteria in the first stage. This is about the second stage, primary stage, secondary stage. This is the in two stages sewage water will be treated. So, if you go through the step primary treatment and secondary treatment in detail, step by step, how it will be, let us see. First, from household sewage will be removed. This sewage is first filtered in the first primary treatment. First filtered. The filtration is occurs a sequential filtration. In sequential filtration, what will happen? The floating, the solid materials which are floating in the sewage water, they will be removed by the sequential filtration. Sequential filtration means there are many filters are there, one and another, one after the another. There are many types of filtrations are there. Why many types are there? First filtration filters the very large solid compounds. Then they will decrease the pore sizes of the mesh. They will mesh. Okay, జాలి లాగా ఉంటుంది ఫస్ట్ in first stage what will happen? The mesh contain large pores. So they will stop only large solid materials. Then they will decrease the size of the pores in the mesh. Okay na? Then what will happen? Little small solid products will be filtered. Again they will decrease the size of the in the mesh. This step by step. Finally, even small size of solid materials will be filtered. So this is a sequential filtration. There are sequence. It is filtered. The solid materials are filtered by in sequence. Step by step, they are filtered. Not at all suddenly. Step by step. First, very large solids are removed. Then small. Then very small solids are removed. This is about the sequential filtration. The main floating debris. Next come to the sedimentation. Okay, the floating debris is removed. Now what will happen? Some solids they are mixed in the bottom. So how it will be removed? They won't float. They won't come to some solid materials won't come to the top of the stream. What will happen? They should be sedimented. So then what will happen? The effluent coming after the sequential filtration. The sewage effluent then make it to settle and keep it quiet for some time. What will happen? These solid materials which are in the mixed in the sewage water, they slowly come down. They slowly come to the bottom. So this is called grit or solid pebbles. These grit are different materials and different types of stone, different sizes of stones also removed. Because if you put raw in the water, if you put to place some stones in the water, it will be settled. So if any from small size to large size stones will be settled. So this is called sedimentation. During sedimentation, solid materials mixed in the sewage water will be removed. So after this step, what will happen? Two products will become. One is the primary sludge. Primary sludge means completely settled solid products. Completely settled solid materials at the bottom. That is called primary sludge. So during sedimentation, what will happen? The sewage water kept for hours or some time, kept for hours to without disturbing. What will happen during that period? What will happen? All solids will be deposited or settled at the bottom. That become the settled solids become a primary solid. What will happen? Remaining water will become it's called effluent. Effluent is supernatant. What is supernatant? For example, it is a mixture. It is a mixture. It is a water mixture. Water. It is a water. It is mixed with some